Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can stable a cart with the help of artificial intelligence, right? So it can be done for a lot of applications that are related to artificial intelligence and robotics. So you can go and look for those applications. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to install stable baselines library. After that, we are going to move on towards a gym. So that is an OpenAI environment. We are going to install that, and later we are going to install PPO from stable baselines, as well as we are going to import dummy vectorizer from stable baseline library. Later we are going to also install another library from stable baseline that is called evaluate policy, so that we are able to evaluate the policy later, right? The next part is to make the environment. So the first thing is to load the environment. So I'll be loading in the Cartpole environment, and with the help of that I'll be making the environment, right? After that we have to make the episodes. So I'll make 10 episodes and make a for loop in which we will run through all of those episodes, and each state will be taken from that. Each score later can be taken from those episodes, right? So what are we going to do next? We are going to render the environment, and we are going to make the actions. So actions is basically whatever is the action space available to us, and states and rewards are the things that are available in the environment, right? So after that I am going to give in the score, which is equal to score plus reward, and at the end I am going to print out the episodes and score as well, right? So let's see what is that. So this is it. This is the Cartpole that we want to make stable, right? Now we want to train the AI. For that we are going to input the gym environment, and after that make the dummy environment with the help of that, right? Later what we are going to do is we are going to take the MLP policy model, and we are going to put that into our model, right? So after a little bit of error handling, we move on to the learning of the model, right? So that is a command that is available to us from OpenAI Gym, and after doing that we are going to import operating system and give a pathway to our work that we have done already, right? So after saving the model, the model will be saved in training saved model PPO model, right? And after saving the model we are going to delete that, and later we are going to take the model again inside, so that we can see if it is saved correctly or not, right? So environment is the same, and let's move on to evaluation now. So this is the main part in which we are going to see if our card poll is actually starting to be stabilized or not, right? So for that we run the evaluate policy method, right, in which we are going to give in the model environment and all the other variables that we are going to need, right? So as you can see now, the card poll is basically stable, and it is not falling on the right or the left. So this is a very quick video on how you can stable a card poll with the help of AI.